Toadstools. Mushrooms. Fun guys who get you high. Are one of the most fascinating organisms on the planet, with a diversity of shapes, sizes, and colors that make them truly unique. From the small button mushroom that you can buy at the grocery store to the mold growing on the end pieces of your bread that you forgot to throw out, these little guys come in all shapes and sizes, and they have been used by humans for thousands of years for both culinary and medicinal purposes. Mushrooms are the fruiting bodies of fungi, which are a separate kingdom of organisms from plants and animals. Fungi are unique because they do not produce their own food through photosynthesis like plants do. Instead, they obtain their nutrients by decomposing dead organic matter or by forming mutualistic relationships with other organisms, such as trees or insects. Mushrooms are the visible reproductive structures of fungi, which release spores into the air to start new colonies. Mushrooms play a crucial role in the ecosystem as decomposers, breaking down dead organic matter and recycling nutrients back into the soil. Without fungi, the world would be covered in a thick layer of dead organic matter, and plants would not have the nutrients they need to grow. In addition to their role as decomposers, some mushrooms form symbiotic relationships with other organisms, such as mycorrhizal fungi that form associations with plant roots, providing them with nutrients and helping them resist disease. Or many species of ants, like these leafcutter ants, that had been farming fungi in South American rainforests for 60 million years compared to the earliest recorded evidence of mushroom cultivation that comes from China and Japan only 1,000 years ago. These fungi and ants are fully reliant on one another. The worker ants cut and gather plant material for their fungi overloads as nourishment. As payment, the ants receive a reliable food source for the ants' larvae. Being isolated underground would be a death sentence to most other mushrooms, as most of them rely on spreading their spores by wind, so without the help of these ants, they would face the consequences of being reliant on the colonies. Humans have been using mushrooms for food and medicine for thousands of years. Mushrooms are low in calories and fat, high in protein and fiber, and contain a wide range of vitamins and minerals. Some of the most commonly consumed mushrooms include the button mushroom, shiitake, the ever-so-glorious oyster mushroom, and portobello mushroom. In addition to their culinary uses, mushrooms have a long history of use in traditional medicine, with some species being used to treat everything from respiratory illnesses to cancer. Mushrooms have a wide range of potential uses in fields such as medicine, agriculture, and biotechnology. Researchers are currently exploring the use of mushrooms as a source of new drugs and as a way to remove pollutants from the environment. Additionally, mushrooms have the potential to be used as a sustainable source of food, with some researchers even suggesting that they could be used to replace meat in the future. Mushrooms are truly amazing organisms that play a vital role in the ecosystem, and have been used by humans for thousands of years for both culinary and medicinal purposes. The study of fungi, or mycology, is a fascinating and complex field that is still being explored by scientists around the world. As we continue to uncover the secrets of these fascinating organisms, we will undoubtedly discover new and innovative uses for mushrooms in the future.